Here's the sleek black and red box of the Mate XT. Let's open it up and see what we get. Carefully remove the Mate XT from the box and place it on the table. Inside, we have the Huawei Mate XT itself, neatly wrapped. Underneath, you'll find a fast charger, a USB-C cable, and some documentation including a quick start guide and warranty information. Nothing out of the ordinary here. Now, let's talk about the design. The Huawei Mate XT features a unique trifold design with dual hinges. When folded, it's surprisingly compact and easy to handle. Show the device being unfolded to reveal the full screen. When fully unfolded, the Mate XT reveals a sleek 10-inch OLED display. The build quality feels premium, with a smooth hinge mechanism that ensures a seamless transition between modes. Show close-ups of the unfolded display. The display is truly impressive, offering vibrant colors and deep blacks thanks to OLED technology. The 10-inch screen provides an expansive viewing experience, perfect for multitasking or enjoying media. The device also features a punch hole cutout for the front camera on the left side of the screen. In terms of specifications, the Mate XT packs some serious power. It comes with options of 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage configurations of 512 gigabytes or 1 terabyte. It's powered by the Kirin 9 series chipset and features LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring top-notch performance. Let's check out the camera setup. The Mate XT sports a circular camera module on the back, featuring a 50-megapixel main camera with 5x optical zoom. This setup promises excellent image quality and versatile shooting options. Show sample images or camera interface if available. With Huawei's advanced imaging technology, you can expect sharp, detailed photos and great performance in various lighting conditions. Camera pans out, showing the device on the table. That's it for our unboxing and first look at the Huawei Mate XT. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to MTV for more tech content.